In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PowerPoint presentation in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a PowerPoint right on a Confluence page so teammates can view it in place without downloading. Start by opening your Confluence site and heading to the space and page where you want the presentation to appear. Pick the page you want to work on, then switch into edit mode so you can make changes. In the editor, look for the option to add media. Choose Add Image, Video, or File. This is where Confluence lets you bring external content into the page. From the options that appear, select Link, then choose File. Next, pick Upload. This tells Confluence you're attaching a file directly to the page rather than linking to an external source. Browse your computer, select your PowerPoint file, ideally a .ppex for best compatibility, and confirm the upload. Give it a moment to process. Larger decks may take a bit longer. Once the file is on the page, open the display options so you can control how it looks. You'll see choices such as inline and card. Inline places the file neatly within your text flow, great when you want the presentation to sit naturally between paragraphs. Card gives it a more visual, standalone look with a frame tile, handy if you want the deck to stand out. Pick the style that suits your page layout and audience. Use Preview to check how the embedded presentation will render. This is the safest way to confirm that slide navigation, sizing, and placement feel right before you finalize. If something looks off, like the deck is too big or breaks the text flow, switch back, adjust the display option, and preview again until it's just right. If you plan to reuse the same embed elsewhere on the page, first highlight the embedded file block so it's selected. Choose Copy if you want to duplicate it, then place your cursor where you want a second instance, highlight that spot so it's active, and then paste. This is an easy way to reference the same presentation in multiple sections without repeating the upload. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you have permission to add attachments in the space. If you don't, a space admin can help. Keep your file name consistent when you upload a new version so Confluence can track updates. And if your team prefers a slimmer look, inline usually reads better in documentation-heavy pages, while card works well in overview or hub pages. That's it. You've embedded your PowerPoint in Confluence and tailored how it appears.